We'll guide you through how to use Claude for Business to streamline your operations and enhance productivity. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Claude for Business website. You need to sign in with your business account credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you can quickly create one by clicking on the Sign Up option. Once logged in, you'll be greeted with the dashboard where you can manage your projects, tasks, and team collaboration. To create a new project, click on the New Project button usually located at the top right corner of the interface. Enter your project name, description, and assign team members by selecting their names from the drop-down menu. This allows you to ensure everyone is on the same page. Next, you can start adding tasks by clicking on Add Task within your project. Here, you can set deadlines, priorities, and even add file attachments that your team might need. You can also use the discussion feature to communicate directly within each project, keeping all related conversations in one place. To monitor progress, go to the Reports section where you can generate various reports to track project milestones, timelines, and team performance. This is particularly useful for keeping stakeholders informed. Additionally, don't forget to explore the Integrations section, where you can connect Claude with other tools your business might be using, such as Google Workspace or Slack, to further enhance its functionality. Remember, having everything centralized in Claude helps reduce the clutter and boosts efficiency. Finally, check out the settings to customize notifications and other preferences to suit your workflow best. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.